3, 2, 1.
Matthew?
Hi, this is my.
Oh, look, cute baby.
It was crunchy. This is a burnt marshmallow.
Like this one only?
Yeah, the happy birthday one. It's the happy birthday one.
Oh my god.
Ew, I'll pick up a stick.
We're gonna sing happy birthday later. Whose birthday is it?
Oh my
Jesus.
God.
Ah, Papa
Chase.
Jesus. Chase, yeah,
Chase.
Chase. 8 months birthday of Chase, yeah.
Okay, calm down.
Oh,
This is a kid's science.
You want, if you don't want to eat it, don't play with it, please.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, mukha mo.
Ah,
Masarap siya pag ano lang, sa taas lang.
Mild
Thank
ano
you.
lang.
Oo.
Hindi siya yung mainit.
happy birthday to you. I'm gonna get two.
I think it's the joy of like roasting na lang itong mga ito. No? This is what you've been saying, yeah? The roasting marshmallow. Here we are now.
You like roasting marshmallow?
In the back there.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're in the backyard cooking marshmallows.
Oh, that's pang real yun ah. Pang real yun ah. Maganda caption yun ah. What did you say? Matthew? We're in what? We're in the backyard.
I'm trying to make a double marshmallow.
A double marshmallow.
Double melted marshmallow thingy. Yeah. Oh my god! And then I put this in the fire.
Careful now.
Oh, Macho, be careful.
I need water. I'll make
Yeah.
a marshmallow. Double marshmallow.
Double
marshmallow. Since look at that. Yeah. Do you want to make it yourself? Oh my god. Make it for you.
Malakas pala yung apoy niya kahit maliit lang.
Oh my god, this actually looks good.
Ano yung nilagay niya sa ano?
Number one.
Kahoy?
Hindi.
Lagay mo ng gas.
Agas.
Ano yung kahoy yung nandyan?
Oo, yung parang kahoy.
Oo.
Maliliit nga lang yung inalok kasi yung malalaki yung
Oo. Parang tama lang naman yan, no?
tama lang kasi dun sa malaki, no? Kasi kung malaki hindi nakasya. Ah, pwede sa ilalim.
That's
Kaso
like
malalaglag
changing
yung apoy eh.
Ah, sa ilalim.
It's changing.
Ilalim lang.
Ang ganun daw. Hi. Nazis!
Nazis. This is Nazi. From German 1945.
That's those are the sticks. Oh my goodness. It's magma red. It's like the volcano which happened in Iceland. That's a chance.
No,
I use my bare hands.
Put it there, put it in.
Let's get a napkin.
Do you want me to burn it? Get my napkin from here.
Ha?
Thanks. Marshmallows at the bottom and
I'm gonna play Roblox after this.
Justin is just
the
playing.
first thing is I'm going to eat is that. For the sandwich is that I'm going to have some marshmallows, biscuits, and
Kuya, don't eat the black one. It's burnt.
that's all. And that's all.
That's nitrogen.
Yeah, some chocolate on
Nitrogen.
top. Just cut it in half and then eat it. Yeah.
Where's Kuya Justin?
Where's Koya jump scare? Where's Koya jump scare? My independence is dying without the water floating.
I want a crunchy. Crunchy. It's like an old man. What?
This one is better compared
Would you
to
like some more?
the one we had last year. Already had one, anak. Thank you.
I'll put more fire.
Because they're still light. Before it was too dark, isn't it?
So sad.
I'm going.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Stay inside.
I'm gonna wait for you, okay?
Oh my gosh, it's stuck.
Oy, Matthew! You need to wash your hands.
Sino ang nakauna nag-raise ng hand?
You listen.
Anong kategory ito, ha?
Ano?
Spelling.
Just raise your hand.
Okay. Ano ito, ha? Tricky, funny, okay. Spell Mississippi with one eye.
Kasi una. Kasi nauna nagsasabi.
M-I-S-S-I-P-P-I.
With one eye. Dadah, lato ba?
Kasi
Spell Mississippi with one eye.
that's wrong. With one eye.
Spell
Oh, Makaldo.
Makaldo, come on.
Makaldo.
What, ha?
Spell.
M-I-S-S-I.
What eye? M-I-S-S-I.
Tagalog. Easy or difficult?
Okay.
Ay, easy or difficult?
Kung Tagalog ng massage ay masahe.
Masahe?
Again, kung Tagalog ng
Hilot. Hilot.
Kung Tagalog ng massage ay masahe, ano naman ang Ingles ng pamasahe?
English.
Before Mount Everest was discovered,
Yeah.
what was the tallest mountain on earth?
Mount Fuji. I don't know.
Mount out.
Pakinggan niyo ang question!
Raise your hand.
Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the tallest mountain on earth?
Mount Everest.
My group. Ilan ba
How
kayo?
come we four? It's supposed to be three only.
Mag-share kayo niya. Hindi na lang ito, my group.
Dalawa kayo ha?
Ayaw na, umuna na. Ako na po.
Ikaw na po! Ay, uwan mo! Maganda po!
Tapos, dalawa lang sila, no? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ah, sige, Riz, come here, Riz. Come. Okay, you join. Okay. No, Riz, join with Ate and then Mateo. Mateo, join with your mom.
Team Makaldo.
Oh, let's go join us.
By group to have
What's the answer?
Wala din yung line. Line. Oh. Iwan mo
Bakit
na
magla-line pa?
Iwan mo ng regalo.
Tatayo pa kami?
Tatayo kayo.
Hooray!
Ako, ikaw mag-action, ako magsalita.
Ah, ganun ba? Oh.
Pep,
Pep.
hooray.
So hindi ka magsalita.
Oh,
Ikaw lang.
tayo, ako lang. Sige, pep, pep. Hooray. Pep, pep. Tapos, hooray, ya. Ito yung hooray.
Kung sabihin ng hooray, ganun ka. Kung sabihin ng hooray,
Here's my glasses,
ka.
Ah, sige. Okay, Chris, hip, hip. Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray. Okay, sige na, final ha.
Final.
Hooray!
I'm sorry.
Hip hip!
Let's go.
Hooray!
You wanna go twin?
Hooray!
Competitive talaga to si Chris. Oh.
Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hooray!
guys!
Imbis na hooray!
Oh, thank you. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Thank you.
Hooray!
Hooray! Woo! Hep, hep! Hooray!
Ready ha? Final. Sige.
Final!
Hip hip.
We're gonna win, okay?
Hooray.
We're gonna win.
Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Oh.
Oh, practice lang daw, practice lang daw. Oh.
Sige. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. 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 Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Okay, I can see your hands here. Here it is. Again. I'm out of here. Hip hip. Hooray. 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 Hip hip.
Well done, Justin! Well done! Woo! Justin! Well done!
Hooray. Hooray. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray! 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 Hip hip! 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 Hip hip! Hooray!
Parang
Hip hip!
yung ama.
Hooray!
Focus talaga si Chris.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Magabi si Chris. Gabi talaga si Chris.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Wow, very good. Wala tayo sa...
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Ay, it's okay! It's okay!
Ano? Sumakay ako.
Okay.
Umupo ako. Sumandal ako. Umara ako. Tumayo ako. Bumaba ako. Anong dala ko?
But again,
Okay.
the question is there.
Sumakay ako. Umupo ako. Sumandal ako. Umara ako. Tumayo ako. Bumaba ako. Anong dala ko?
Dala ko sarili.
Sandal! Sumakay ako. Umupo ako. Sumandal ako.
May tatlong lollipop. Okay, next question. Next question. Sige.
English.
English.
English!
Ma.
Ma.
Oh, you have to.
I have 30 rabbits. 28 carrots. Ilan ang hindi kumain?
Dalawa.
I have 30 rabbits. 28 carrots. Ilan?
20
carrots eh.
28 carrots.
Carrots!
Analyze talaga ni Chris.
Ayun, grabe. Wow na talaga ako kay Chris.
Chris, ikaw talaga, Chris. Meron po.
Chubby Bunny. Paul Bunny. You need to put that inside your mouth. Inside your mouth. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Oh, that's it. Put on the side. The side in your mouth.
You didn't say nothing.
Chubby Bunny. Not you? You said Chubby Bunny?
Okay.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Oh, time yan.
I want to tell them to say, Chris, sa Tagalog, isdang kumakalabukap.
Sabi Bani, sige. Sabi.
You put it first before you say.
Surrender na daw siya. Maya, sit down.
Okay.
Surrender na siya.
Okay.
Okay, you're out now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sige na, hayaan mo na.
Who's the winner?
Ate siya is the winner.
Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah, you have to drop it there.
Go.
Because I
Matthew, it's okay. You won the last time.
It's unfair. It was stupid.
Oh, he wants to win again.
Yeah.
Madaya ito, nag-practice siya sa bahay. Practice siya.
Pinapractice talaga itong makaldo. Search na to.
Madaya makaldo.
Ito naman drama to yun. Ayan.
Okay.
Hey, yo! Ready? Wait. Hey. Ready?
Ready, go. Ready, go.
See.
English?
Sorry.
Syllables.
2 syllables.
Santa Claus.
Reindeer.
Devil.
Reindeer.
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 1 minute lang ha.
With the red nose. Rudolph the red-nosed That's easy.
10 seconds. 8 seconds.
Kaya nanalo para.
Meron din pakalakang pagka-clever.
3 seconds to beat.
May pinagbalahan, may pinag...
And then pinahihuli natin.
Ang nasa Tagalog? Ano yung Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Oh.
Wait.
Look at me.
Wait.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Ah, this is place is okay sa love mo. This love mo. Okay. Love mo.
Kain.
Love mo.
Tamang ko, tamang ko.
Kain.
Tagalog ba? Tagalog?
Bayarin yung plate.
Tagalog.
Sarap po.
Ilang syllable? Yummy. Kakain na. Sarap.
Ice cream.
Dito baka ako.
Dub.
Adobo.
Kitchen.
Masarap ito.
Okay ha.
Lechon pala.
Something na tumawa. Inote ha.
Is it a landmark?
No, in the UK. Wait.
No. Yes, no.
Is it something tall? Tall? In Europe?
Asian?
In London.
It's a place. Yeah, it's a famous place. Yeah.
Yeah, a landmark in London.
Not in London.
The US.
Is it a...
So, yes, no, or pwede.
No lang.
Yes, no, pwede. No signaling. No like that. No like that.
The UK. In Philippines. In Europe. In America.
In Asia.
Paris.
Africa.
France.
Europe.
France.
Is it a house? Is it a palace? In the UK.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Lapland.
Iceland. Finland.
Finland.
Christmas tree.
Shard.
No, it's in Europe.
It's a... Wait. Switzerland. New Zealand.
Is
10 seconds.
it cold?
Is it cold country?
Is it Chinese?
Iceland.
Is it
Norway.
Norway.
Time's up.
What's
the answer? North Pole.
But
Oh!
this is a good exercise. Yeah, one more.
Is it a food? No.
Is it a girl? Just a bitch.
Place.
Food.
Things?
Things.
Can you
Toy.
eat it? Maggie
Toy?
said.
No.
Can you eat it?
No.
Food. No. Is it a car?
No.
Is it circular?
No.
Is it?
Maybe this is for Christmas. That's
Is it
a.
Christmas?
Is it a sleigh? Sleigh.
It's Christmas when they
Christmas tree?
No. Christmas tree?
Reindeer.
Is it about
Bells.
Christmas? Yeah.
It's Jesus. Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Christmas song.
Yeah.
Jingle bell. Jingle bell. Jingle bell.
Jingle bells. No.
Oh, Holy Night.
No.
Oh, Come Divine Messiah.
Correct, Roy.
Huh?
Yes, Ron.
What is it?
That was exciting.
Silent night?
Silent night.
Silent night pala.
Wala eh, ano lang. 118 si Chris eh, tapos 52. Si Chris lahat eh. Oh, sino naman next? Oh, si Iron naman.
Okay.
Oh, ready? Go!
Tao, bagay, lugar,
Yeah, I'm the boss.
Pagkain.
I thought I was the boss.
regalo,
Go to the old map and
Is it about Christmas?
I thought I was the boss.
bagay,
Pwede.
Oh, this guy. No flipping reason.
Regalo.
No, buy the infantry. Buy the infantry just in case. No. There.
animals,
Pwede.
Tagalog,
Wait, hold on, reindeer. Rejoin.
English,
Reindeer.
reindeer,
Hindi.
Horse. Cow. Carabao. Pig. Chicken.
hindi place,
Diba please?
animal, pwede,
Animal.
Pwede. Pwede daw. Oh, animal. Pwede.
a bird, deer,
Bird. Sinaso ng bird.
bird,
Ah.
7. Oh, good.
Oh.
phone mo, maganda ka nga,
Ano, iPhone, ano to? 12?
iPhone 12,
Super luma na to.
pero ang ganda, ang clear na clear, oh.
Lahat ng mga present nilagay dito. Niya, tapos picture. Lahat ng mga present. Let's
Cheesy nuggets with my guys.
Hello, Chase. Chase is still sleepy.
Cheesy nuggets.
Hi, Justin.
Cheesy nuggets.
tapos by family.
Kami sa
Look, James.
Go, go, go.
Smile, Justin. Justin.
Yay! Thank you.
Yay.
That looks like a coffee shop. That one. See, it looks like a coffee shop. No. Look, Ducky. Actually, you see that? Pati nga hindi pa gano'ng kalamig eh. Pero kalamig ka na?
Actually, yun yung natatakot ako nung dati iniisip pa namin mag-IVF. Sabi nung
Mo? Okay, that's it.